Hi everyone and welcome to Principles of Computer Security, CIS205. My name is Laura Scarpelli and I am the instructor for the course. I just wanted to take a moment to give you an overview of the tools you have available to you and how to proceed. So I'm here in the Start Here section, and the first thing I would ask you to do is take the time to read through the welcome note here. The first thing I mention is if you are new to Brightspace, you should go through the help and resources link above. So if you take a look in Brightspace, right at the top in your navigation bar, you have this help resources. There's essentials for learners. And then if you run into any issues, you can always call the SUNY online help desk, and they should be able to answer any technical issues you might have. The second item here in my list, please take the time to read everything in this section. It does explain how to access your book. The course syllabus is here. The course schedule is here. A lot of good information just to get you started. And then the last thing I mention is to please watch video number 2. So this next video then goes through the syllabus, goes through the schedule, and explains what your week 1 responsibilities are. At least 3 times per week, you should be checking your announcements. If you'll notice, when you go to the course homepage, I'll navigate there in just a moment, but on the course homepage, announcements are posted, and they do not automatically route to your email. To change that setting, I have instructions down below how to change Brightspace notification settings. It is best to route your announcements to your email. This way you have them everything in one place. The second thing I want to mention is to check your email frequently. Any messages I have regarding questions on something you may have submitted or an assignment, etc., I am going to communicate with you via your email, which is why it's best to have the announcements routed there as well. This way you have everything in one place. And then lastly, do check the course schedule frequently. I have assignments every week, and at times it can get confusing. There's a lot of material to cover, so please just keep that somewhere handy. There is a link over here to your course schedule, but if you have any questions, do let me know. One last item before I wrap up. I would like you to navigate over to Course Home and just let you know what you'll find there. So these are the announcements, and mostly I use this to communicate reminders on due dates. Here are the tiles to the different sections of your course. Here are some helpful resources. So in addition to what you saw in the help resources link, there's a little bit more going on here. And then lastly is my contact information. So here's my email address, my office hours. It is best for you to schedule time with me through Starfish because my office hours are posted there. So you'll find my availability. Now, how to access Starfish and a couple other items. When you scroll up to the top, you have this link here, My NCCC. You'll see our tutoring center contact, and then also a link to Starfish. There's a bunch of other stuff here as well, so it makes it a little easier than always having to navigate back to the college's homepage. Okay, at this point, I ask you to move on to video 2.